zoom in?
I can't zoom in. I'm not even getting the whole thing. It started already.
Oh. Oh. Okay, this is our 2012 4th of July fireworks days. I'm proud of these. These are pretty cool. I like these. They're like $13, right?
Around there.
I don't know about these. People feet, you know, like, cool.
They're loud.
I don't know.
But
Same thing, just like the loud. Kind of boring. Some little kid, lightning flash. I don't know. My dad had one of these. Some art and some crazy crackling groundhog, and I got a few around here somewhere. I don't know where they are. I got some Red Devil firecrackers. Buy one get one free, and I also got some titanium firecrackers. Yeah, in there. And these, yeah, these what are they called? TT blast.
they're blasters. You line them up and they pop, crack.
Oh, yeah, crack.
They're
Yeah.
shit. You should get them.
Yeah, my brother recommends those. Jumping jacks, those old ones. Oh, I kind of like them because I just lit them up on the one. Pretty cool. Saturn missiles. Well, I never really use these. I just meant to use them this year because I don't really know why, but it's not like learning. Ground blasters, real loud.
I prefer these than the M1000.
Or
Just me.
Yeah, he prefers them. They're alright. Oh, I love these. These are pretty awesome. Just slide them up, easy to take off in the air. Like, super comet. Then they just like a jumping jack, infrared. Yeah, buy them, get one free. That everything's buy one, get one free. So yeah.
Yeah, everything's buy one get one free.
And a mix match. Magic comment. Well, I never use these.
But
You use these before?
no, but I heard that when you light them up, they spin and then they shoot up in the air.
Yeah. See what else got here. Okay. I never heard of these, but
Me neither. I just wanted to get them because I don't know. They looked awesome, but I looked on the internet and they just shoot out shit. Pretty much. And then we got these
tri-pack, Roman candles, got all kinds. What's that?
they shoot
Lightning balls, 10 balls, shoots the report. Then some Mad Dog ones, just flaming balls. Then this one got comet crackles. Yeah, I don't get one free that. Then
now we're going to the big stuff. Alright.
to the 100 shot. I never really heard of this, but it looked cool. It's a 100 shot. Stuck on there. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I just think it's fascinating. I didn't get to buy one get one free. I mixed match with that. Mixed match with this. Multicolored. What does it say? Whatever. Yeah. Look pretty cool. Thought I'd get it. But some new zombies.
Okay. Zombies, it shoots up in the air for a long time and it makes different colors spraying and it shoots and it don't shoot but it makes crackles.
Emit showers and sparks.
Yeah, showers and sparks.
Home run.
Home run, I was thinking of getting them but my brother got it first and I don't know.
That's pretty cool.
It looks awesome.
See by the picture what it does.
Yeah.
Looks pretty badass. And this
This one
That
right
one's
here.
like,
I never seen these, and I don't know
it
what
looks
it
pretty
is.
bad, so. And it showers with sparks, same thing as others, but it looks pretty bad, so. Easy to see by the cover. Let's see what else we got there. Oh yeah. These badass
Mad Dogs.
Mad Dog.
They're like
artillery shells. 12 pack.
12 of them,
See what it does right here.
and then all those. That's what it does.
Yeah, it looks pretty cool.
Yeah, pretty awesome.
We didn't get it was buy one get one free.
It was buy one give one free. We got
mixed match.
we mixed match with the Red Devil.
Artillery shells. Also 12 pack.
This one looks pretty better for me because all different colors.
And it spreads out more. And that one's just like
So same thing, just different kind of.
yeah.
Yeah. And
I also got some stuff right here. Okay.
we got some couple stuff.
Some miscellaneous.
What is it? Oh, same shit.
Also
Got some of those.
crazy groundhogs, yeah. Pretty
Like
cool.
the other ones. Alright. And we got some
Crazy eyeball.
crazy eyeballs.
I really like these different colors. Spin, crackle at the end. They're pretty cool. I recommend these. But yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah, this is our
2012 4th of July.
2012 4th of July
Stash.
fireworks stash.
Alright.
Comment, subscribe, like. Thanks.
Yeah, our first video. Yeah.
This is our first video, so like, see what happens. Yay. Bye.